Any electrical equipment exposed to flammable gases, vapours or dust requires hazardous area approval, and that includes signalling equipment. Hi, I'm Tim Webster and welcome. Mechtric offers a comprehensive range of hazardous area signalling devices, including intrinsically safe sounders and LED beacons. EXD-rated flame-proof electronic sounders, beacons and manual call points are available in marine-grade aluminium, GRP and 316 stainless steel enclosures. There are beacons with LED and xenon light sources and motor sirens with sound outputs up to 140 decibels. All equipment is IEC EX certified for use in Australia and worldwide. And EXN and UL certified versions also available. So, you need to see the full range. Download the Mechtric Hazardous Area Signals catalogue from mechtric.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.